All right, so let's get started. I do have some issues when my sound and my microphone there. Okay, but let's get started then. I did wanted to share with you a trade I made today in gold. I'm gonna review a couple of things today related to this. I missed this trades going to the upside there, but since it was a little bit extended, then I took a trade in the when it went started to go to the downside. So let's review that and why I took the trade. So if you see here, the if you see here, we do have the 30 minutes chart in the left side. Let's have it here. So you let's see that there is the 30 minutes chart. You see that there's a candle that it's moving to the upside right there. Three strong candles moving to the upside, and then this reversal candle going to the downside there. So that is where I thought, okay, this could be a good opportunity to short this. Somewhere around there, the objective was around this area here for it. This one is the 50 simple moving average. So with that, I would think that would be a target. However, it didn't so far. It didn't touch it. So I went a little bit, in between there. If you see, there is a green line there in a purple. This one is the 200 simple moving average. Okay, so let's see the setups on the Renko chart. So basically, if you review other videos, I'm showing, or the method for entry is actually bounces off of the moving averages here. So and that is what I took in this position here. You get one entry right there, one entry right there, and one entry right there. This one didn't go below the previous one there, right? So you see we do have a bounce, but it was making a lower high right here, and then making a higher low right there. So it wasn't in congestion. You have also the momentum indicator in the upper side of the zero line, and then that trigger an entry to the upside. In the way back, then cross the moving averages there, and then at that point I did have the stack Renko in red. All the moving averages are stacking to the downside, so that's the meaning of that. From here, I took that trade there. There was a bounce off of the 34 EMA. The 34 EMA is this yellow line right there, and then there were others, but since I did have you can see that there is a pivot right there, and there was a very nice head and shoulders form right there, right, like that. It's a little bit congested, so let me take it out. So I'm gonna repeat that a little bit. So you do have that line there, and then this one creates a nice head and shoulders. And then when it started to move there, I was looking for an entry right there, but it was above this support right here. And then there was another entry right there, but with another support right there. But either way, that would have worked as well. There was a little bit of bounce going that direction, then coming back down, and then finally broke. So I took the trade right there. I took the trade right there. Let me see something here before I... Just 1 second. Okay, so I took that trade over there at approximately 30,030, and then the stop, or not the stop, but the target was right here, right above this yellow line here, which is the opening, the 15 minutes opening range. I'm sorry about that. Let me redraw that. That is the this one here is the 30 minutes opening range. You have the values right there. So I put the target right above this one. This is a $430 trade per contract. So that's the trade I took, and the reason is that yes, there was here a bounce off of sorry about that. So there was here a bounce. You have a week off of the moving average, in this case the 34 EMA, and also, you know, right below the support level on this other side right there. Okay, came back down and then moved up, and then up, and then tried to break the 15 minute opening range, and then it was rejected, and now it's coming back down. Let me see here. Yeah, it's coming back down right there. So as I said, potentially the target for this one is this 50 SMA. We will see how it's gonna go in the afternoon. But since this one was actually a counter trend based on the 30 minutes, I wanted to go short and not to extend myself that much, expecting that it was going to be much that it was going to go much lower. At any time, gold can take the opposite side and start moving to the upside. So it's better to secure a profit there. All right. So hopefully this was helpful. If you do have any questions, make your comments in the comments on the video, and I hope you liked it. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.